Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn something different today. I am going to take you back to your 4th grade class where you learn something about basic mathematics and which is still followed in Microsoft Excel as well. It is something that is universal. So in formulas, each mathematical operator has its place in the calculation. So we know that all the calculation goes from left to right, and there will be lot of operators like multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, but we have to follow some order to get the desired result. So what are those? So let's understand. There is one acronym which you can use to remember it. So it is called as PEMDAS. P is parenthesis, E is exponent, M multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So this is the order which needs to be followed in Microsoft Excel to get the desired result. So whenever you are solving any mathematical equation, you have to first solve the parenthesis, then go for exponent, and then for the multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Excel will follow the same. If you miss any of these things, you won't be getting your desired answer. So hope you understood this. You can try skipping any of these with your own calculations and see if you get the desired result or not. Try it out.